Hey traders, it's Marina, the Trader Chick, to simplify your day trading for you. So you want to know, can day trading be an actual career? Well, stick around because I'm going to give you the facts. But first, make sure that you subscribe below because every week I've got some simplifying day trading hacks for you. All right, let's find out if it's a viable career. So the real question really is, and everyone really wants to know the truth to this one, can you make day trading a career? This is the real question that I get asked all the time. So here we are. Yes, it can be. But here's the reality though. Imagine this. Okay, just imagine this. You decide that you want to be a pilot. Okay, now imagine yourself, you want to become a pilot. Then what you do, the next step, the very next step you do when you decide you want to become a pilot is you call up your whole family, you get them on board the airplane. Just come on up, guys, I want to be a pilot. Let's go. You got yourself a plane, you got your whole family on there, and somehow, miraculously, without really knowing how, you managed to take off. Now, do you think this is a suicide mission? I mean, just yesterday you decided, or this morning you decided you wanted to be a pilot. You have no clue how to do it. Miraculously, your family said, okay, let's jump in and check this out. And you took off. And honestly, do you really think that this is not a suicide mission? Yes, it is. It is a total suicide mission. Do you think a pilot could have a sustainable career after that kind of a move? Definitely not. So here's the real question about you wanting to have day trading as a career. Why is it okay and totally understandable that you need to go through pilot school? You understand that you have to go through pilot school. You have to put in a ton of hours to simulation practice to really understand what's going on. However, when somebody decides that they want to be a day trader, all of a sudden, just because they have a little bit of money, they think, well, I'm going to be a day trader. This is going to be my career. That, without any training and learning, they can become millionaires overnight. Not only do they think that they can do a career just like that because they have a little bit of money, but they actually lie to themselves and believing that they're going to become millionaires overnight. I mean, it sounds ludicrous, right? It's so crazy ludicrous. And now, do you think that this will lead you to a day trading career? To actually have a career in day trading just because you did what the initial wannabe pilot did, call up their whole their family and friends, pile them into the airplane and take off and crash and die. That is literally what happens every single day. The second somebody's like, I want to be a day trader, they take their money, which is like your family members if you think of it, because it pays for your food, pays for your rent, it pays for your activities, pays for your life. I look at it as family, right? So they just throw it and donate it to the market, and they think that they can have a career just like that with no training, nothing. This is the reality, guys. If you want to be a pilot, you have to put in the time to train. You want to be a day trader? Put in that time to train. And once you put in that time to train, to have a strategy, guess what? You will have a career in day trading. I'm Marina, the Trader Chick, telling you how it is and simplifying your day trading. Remember, comment below. Tell me what you guys think about day trading. How is your day trading career going? And what did you have to learn and train for getting there? And I want to hear your comments below, and make sure you subscribe because every week I have new simplifying day trading hacks for you. Okay, Kiana.